Well, what's up, guys? Man, I'm back with another video for you guys. Listen up. So I know a lot of you guys did not know that the products you see at Walmart, Top Shelf, Top Brands are actually watered down products. All right, you guys didn't know that, but I'm going to show you today. No, listen, I'm not dissing no business, no company out there, but I'm just speaking truth, and I'm going to put you guys on game. So make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, man. Let's get it. So, right, we have all these companies. We got Chemical Guys, we got Mother, we got Black Magic, we got Armorol, one of the top sellers back then, because now you got more companies, but Armorol, right? Guys, a lot of these companies are water-based products. If you look into it, it's all water, right? Water. I'm not dissing these people, but I'm just putting you guys on game as a professional detailer. Things that you have to know when you get in the game. All this is all water-based. Look at all the water dots in there, right? All water-based. Car soaps, all water-based. Like, it's, look at that, right? You may think, oh no, he's just talking, he don't know what he's saying, but I'm gonna put you guys on a lot of game, man. You feel me? Let's get it. Let's come over here real quick, show you guys, right? You got Adams polish, right? It's all water-based. Look, all water-based. I'm not just talking. It's all water-based, right? And I'm gonna tell you guys why I know all these are water-based. And if you pay attention, you guys are gonna know why. So make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, man, because you guys will not want to miss out, man. Let's get it. So before I forget, guys, I'm gonna show you one product that I know is actually good, that we all like to buy for strong stains and wheel wells and things like that, that actually gives us the full potential of the product. Is actually right here, right? You got the Purple Power Super Clean. These products are actually very good, guys, and you get 100% of the product. So they're not gonna give you 80% water and the rest in the product, which is garbage. And this is what they do when they sell all these products. So be aware, man. Read the product, and yeah, what you want to tell them? Tell them they're stealing your money. Yeah, exactly. So guys, I wanted to give you guys a full review on a couple of bottles, so that way you guys could understand what I was saying. But Walmart was busy, man. People were walking by, interrupting the video. So I said, you know what? I'm just gonna do a voiceover over a video, so that way you guys could get it, what I'm saying, and understand. But I need you guys to pay attention. This is for all my new detailers that are starting off, or maybe if you just a beginner with some experience and you learning more and things like that about products. So I need you guys to understand, guys, that we live in a safe chemical world. Like, everything is based on safety. For the water, water's recycled, it's processed with chlorine, blah, blah, blah. You know what I'm saying? Like, the whole 9 yards, you understand what I'm saying. But when it comes down to detailing products, guys, it don't matter if you want to do a hand car wash or whatever it is that you do. If you have a car wash, every chemical has to be safe for the environment. So that means you only going to get probably 5% of the chemical, and the rest is water. That's why when you go to a car wash, guys, nowadays, if you use something that has to do with tire shine, guys, you're just spraying water on the tire. Like, it doesn't give you the full effect. If you're spraying or air refreshener from the car wash, it don't smell like air refreshener. I mean, it smells like it, but it's water in there. So same thing with the chemicals in Walmart or anywhere. You're not buying 100% chemical, guys. The chemicals that are not sold in the stores, that are 100% chemicals, are found through, local companies or online, not in Walmart. So when I say this, find you guys a good resource, a good brand that makes the chemicals pure. That's when you're really gonna get 100% results on every wash you do, from the wax to soap, tire shine, wheel cleaner, ceramic, all of that, because you're getting full effect. So when you go to Walmart, guys, and you see all these brands, man, always remember that all these products are water-based. They're not going to give you full results. I mean, you could use them if you're starting off detailing. Yes, you could use it. it's not bad. But if you in the professional industry world where you're detailing cars and you're giving the customers the service they're looking for, then you have to stop going to Walmart and these places and find Adams, chemical guys, Amaro. Like all these companies are approved by the state, so that means it's water-based products. You're not going to get what you pay for, so you're basically getting scammed, guys. Like, I'm gonna keep it honest. I'm being honest with you guys. I'm not talking down on no company, but that's just how it is. If you guys right now, I lost 3 car washes for laws, for chemicals, like all that shit. So I told you guys this, right? If you try to go get a hand car wash, guys, the first thing on the law to get approved is your chemicals, biochemicals, biograded, meaning you gotta have chemicals that are tested, biograded. Like, you feel me? So when you out here giving, a client what they pay for, you have to also remember that you have to give them, the product, that they paying for, like the service they're paying for. That makes sense. So do your research, guys, and but this comes with time. We're learning and getting to know the products, but at least I wanted to give you guys this little example, you know what I'm saying? Because I know a lot of people like my videos talking about these type of things, and not everybody talks about it. They're actually promoting all these chemicals that are biograded, and it's trash, So I'm gonna make another video, guys, for you, and get deeper into this, what products I use. I'm gonna see if they want to sponsor me to talk about the products that I use. They are very great. So like the video, comment down below for any questions, guys. Subscribe, because I'm gonna be dropping a better video. This one was just a quick video for you guys because I get asked a lot about the products. So show some love, and I'm gonna show you guys some love back, man. Let's get it.